Hello again, I'm Bianca, and I'm back at the SuperClub in Concord CityPlace. The master plan community and the SuperClub scale make it great for the Canadian climate, especially in Toronto. Cold winters that seem to last forever don't really get in the way of residents' ability to exercise, entertain, and just kind of hang out at the SuperClub that's just steps away from their unit. And we've seen the massive gymnasium and the running track, but let's go check out an amenity that is not so common at most homes or condos, the bowling alley. With the rise of television in the 1950s, bowling saw its first broadcast of championship bowling on NBC. The sport's popularity grew drastically following the broadcast, and in the 1960s, top bowlers made twice as much as top football stars. Today, through the evolution of high-rise condo amenities and features, Concord has included bowling alleys in a number of their projects in both Toronto and Vancouver. The SuperClub features amenities for both passive and active activities, including a 25-meter pool, full-size gymnasium, weight and conditioning rooms, bowling lanes, indoor golf, juice bar, tennis court, and more. Reporting for Concord, I'm Bianca. Thank you for watching.